Guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight what I'm going to be doing is I really wanted my rook pierced. I've been wanting to get it done, and when I mean getting it done, I mean doing it myself. So as you guys know, since the first video of anything piercing related, I did a piercing tour. I have my double helix, I have my tragus, I have my two lobes, and then on this side I have my conch and then my two lobes. So today I'm going to be attempting to pierce my rook. I did do my conch myself, I did do my rook, and all the other ones I did myself except for my first lobes. Those I got done when I was a baby. So I already washed my hands. I already have my mark. I know you guys can't see that, but I already have my mark in my rook. I already sterilized everything. I have the jewelry, I have the ball, and I have the needle, and we're just going to full send it. So let's get started. So if I'm looking down, it's because, what's it called? I have a mirror right below me. And don't try this at home. Just don't. Don't do it. So I have a needle right here. It is a sterilized needle. And I bought a pack off of Amazon. This is it's 10 pieces of 16 gauges. And I have a few. And I'm just going to full on send it. So I'm going to be piercing my rook. So there's what it looks like now. The needle is through my ear. I should have bended it first. It's okay though. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. Honestly, I did not feel any pain whatsoever. I'm just sliding it on through, so there's the needle through my ear. It's just really hot, to be honest. It's not anything serious. And it did prick me because I did not bend the needle like an idiot, but it's okay. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to get the jewelry in there. Do you notice how it pricked my lobe, and that's where I'm bleeding out the most? But I'm not even bleeding at my rook. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so we pull it out a little bit. Let's see if I can get it in there. It's through. Bleeding is very normal, so don't freak out. I'm not freaking out. Bleeding is very normal when it comes to piercings like these, to be honest, so it's not really a big deal to me. But, okay, so I'm going to show you. So here's my rook, what it looks like now. It needed to come out. The burp needed to, guys. I'm sorry. But it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me clean up the rest of the blood and everything. Okay. Now the real challenge is to get the ball on. Oh, good Lord. Here's the ball. And I have to get it on there. I have to, like, screw it on there. Luckily, I have another ball. I just dropped it. Okay. Well, I can't get the ball on right now, so I'm just going to show you my ear. So that is the rook piercing right there, and I will attempt to get the ball on eventually, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, this is what the Q-tips look like after. Blood is normal for these types of piercings, and I did sanitize everything, and I have everything like on deck. So I'm not a professional piercer. Don't try this at home. This is just how I like it, and etc. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.